In the heart of the Himalayas, a climber found himself trapped in a ferocious snowstorm, battling not just the elements, but the limits of human endurance. This true story of survival is nothing short of miraculous. As the storm raged, visibility dropped to zero and temperatures plunged below freezing. With dwindling supplies and no communication with the outside world, the climber relied on sheer willpower and resourcefulness. Each breath was a battle, each moment a test. Against all odds, he found refuge, a small crevice that offered shelter. Days passed before a daring rescue operation brought him back to safety. Could you survive such a harrowing ordeal? Share your thoughts below.